the paw. Oh, okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Who are you?
Hi, I'm Marco. I'm from Switzerland, and I live in this truck with my wife.
It's I would say a normal size RV in Sweden.
Yes, I think so.
Yeah.
It's pretty common. I think.
Exactly, in all the camping sites.
Yes,
in
yes.
all the Sweden,
yes.
everybody has one of these. Cool. What is it?
Yeah, it's a Steyr. It's from Austria. It's an ex-military truck from the Swiss Army, and I like to say we upcycled it to a RV.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's what we did. It took us 3.5 years to build it, and now we are finished and traveling along Europe.
You live in this full time now?
Yes,
Cool.
yes, since 4 months now.
That's cool. So it's been this green color before?
Yes, this and this are the original color,
Yeah.
like it was, but I wanted to change the color because I didn't like the military look of
course,
it.
yeah.
So I want a color that's like neutral in nature and every
So it doesn't
environment.
see it when you're coming by.
Yes,
Yeah.
we try.
So you melt in. It's
We
smart.
tried. That was the plan. Yes.
Yeah. Please show us. We want to know everything about it.
Yes.
What you've done and not have done.
It's a 10-liter straight line 6
Yeah.
cylinder.
Yeah. In the middle, or where's the engine?
The engine is under this.
Yeah, okay.
It's like this.
Okay.
And up here is the gearbox. It originally it has 320 horsepower.
Yeah.
We made a little change. Now it should have 360 horsepower. And the original torque is 2,000. It's 1,250 Newton meters
Wow. It's
of torque.
It's quite a
Yes.
lot.
And we also have a torque converter in the gearbox.
Yeah.
So we never have power issues.
Okay. But is it 4-wheel drive, or is it just
It's permanent 4-wheel drive.
permanent 4-wheel drive?
Yes,
Okay.
permanent 4-wheel drive. It has 2 differential locks.
Yeah.
One in the middle and one in the rear.
You can go quite a bit off-roading. if you
Yes,
want that.
and
Cool.
if we get stuck, of course, we have a winch
Yeah.
to.
You have a small winch I've seen here in the
Yes.
front. I think
We
it's
have-
from Biltema, right?
It's a Biltema
Yeah.
winch, original.
The
Yes.
thing you have on the ATVs.
It's a small rope.
Yeah.
It's actually we can pull front, or also we can also. This is the.
Yeah, that's the wire.
Just the wire,
Ah, okay.
and it
So
goes
the
all the through the truck.
Cool. So the winch is in the back.
Goes all through here, and here we can change from front side, or we can go here
Okay.
to the back side.
Cool. Have you got stuck sometime?
Yes, yes, we needed it in Spain once
Yeah.
because it was really muddy and steep, and then we got stuck. But it was luck for us. There were some trees
Yeah.
strong enough.
I can imagine if you put this around a tree, you just spin the earth to you.
Ah, yes.
to get- yeah.
So we changed the earth rotation.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, the tow capacity of the winch is 8 tons.
Yeah.
And
Cool.
of course we have, I don't know how to say in English, but a wheel.
Yeah, you can. So you got double the
Yes,
the
the force.
arms effect.
Double the force, so,
Yeah.
so we can tow 16 tons then. It's,
And how much weighs the truck?
the truck now like this have 13 tons.
13 tons.
13 tons,
Okay.
yes. We have a capacity of 750 liters fresh water.
Yeah.
We also have a freshwater filter system inside,
Okay.
so we can.
You can reuse it.
Yes, we can. No, we can load water from a sea or a
Okay,
river
okay, I understand. Yeah.
and filtrate it
Yeah,
and
okay.
put it in the tanks
Cool.
for fresh water. Yes.
Cool. And you also have, of course, like a generator and everything.
We do everything with solar power.
Okay.
We have 1,300 watts of solar power. And we also can charge with the alternator,
Okay.
the batteries.
Oh, so you don't have like a generator?
No, no
You don't have
generator.
that?
No.
Okay.
No.
But was this original? The thing
No.
it was called?
Originally there was a flat wooden bridge
Yeah.
on it.
Yeah,
I don't know.
understand.
it. And it was a plain.
Yeah, it
roof.
was okay. Just the roof.
Yes, it was for carrying people and stuff.
Okay.
And then when we bought it, we also bought a trailer, and this house was on the trailer.
Okay.
It was a workshop,
Yeah.
also from the Swiss military. And then we put both together,
Yeah.
made a special bearing for the house so we can go off-road. Because when you go off-road with a truck this long,
Yeah.
when you drive over a stone with one wheel
Yeah.
and the tire lifts up, the chassis bends.
Yeah.
And you need to make that the chassis can bend and the house doesn't. That's why you can
I understand.
look through.
Oh man. Okay.
So it's not fixed,
Yeah.
mounted on the chassis.
understand.
It's like loose. In front it's fixed, and the rear it can balance.
Cool. I didn't know that.
There's only one in the middle.
Ah, so you could like it
Yes.
can pivot a little bit.
Yes, exactly.
Ah, cool.
That's for off-road.
But did you build that, or was it from Häcken och Seiman?
It's was specially built for this truck.
Okay. Okay. Because that's the thing that let's say if I would build something like this, I would never think of that. I would think, yeah, it's just on the truck and it's fine. But
Yeah,
of
no,
course
it's
then maybe we can.
it's not that easy, unfortunately. We also needed some space for the winch, and of course the
Yeah.
fenders need also some space. When we go off-road, the house, when we lift up this tower, the house comes down and also pushes this fender flat. So that's why here it's like this. So it's even can make so much
Yeah. Okay.
movement, so it pressures on this.
I understand.
So
Cool.
this gap will
Will disappear.
disappear
Yeah.
when we go off-road.
Cool.
And we do it a lot.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Yes, that's why it's so dirty also. Yeah, and,
And this is the diesel tank for the car.
diesel, and this one is hydraulic for the winch.
Ah, okay.
It's because it's from the gearbox,
Yeah.
drives the hydraulic pump, and the hydraulic pump drives the winch.
Okay. How much liters is the capacity for diesel?
This one is 320 liters, but we are looking forward to make a second tank here to have, so we can go more distance.
Yeah. And what's the mileage to fuel consumption?
We say it's
Is it like Olof's Audi A2?
yes,
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 okay,
exactly,
yeah.
yes. It's for 100 kilometer we
Yeah.
need 35 liters
Okay, so
Diesel.
3.5 liters per
kilometer.
10 kilometers.
Yes, per 10
Yes,
kilometers, exactly.
It's,
That's-
it's not that much, I think.
No,
Because
when you
if you have constant four-wheel drive,
Yes,
It's-
and when you compare it to the weight,
yeah,
so
of course.
liter to weight, it's not even, it's less than a car.
Yeah. So it's cheap to drive.
Yes,
That's what you're trying to say.
exactly.
Yeah,
For a house, it's really cheap.
yeah. Cool. And you have a motorcycle on the back,
Yes,
and this is if you get stuck on the like a snow or something. Or mud.
yes. This is a recovery board for the snow, or mud, so mostly in the sand.
Yeah. Okay.
Those are for sand.
Yeah.
Here we have our snow chains, 2 snow chains. Of course, the bike. It's pretty useful when we want to buy some groceries, or
Yeah.
sometimes we're going to visit the city. Then we take the bike and leave the truck outside.
But for next year, we spoke. You're gonna upgrade it and have one Fiat 500.
Yes, I
Yes.
think when we do it horizontal,
Yes.
it should be.
You just put it on the on the bumper and the winch.
Yes,
And put
lift it up.
lift
It
down.
should be
Yeah.
okay, I think. Or maybe the Fiat is only 2 meter
I think it's
50
270.
wide?
So
270.
maybe you can,
Okay, then it's too wide.
if you take the bumpers off, you can fit it like that.
Yes, that would be good.
Cool.
20 tons.
Yeah.
So the maximum load of the truck is 36 tons.
Cool.
Of course, we can lift up the rear bumper for off-road. On the street, it has,
Why do you have it in the first place? Is it just like a bumper, regular
it's
bumper? Or?
just when the car doesn't brake, so it doesn't run under the truck.
Ah, okay.
So it's
So
safety for the cars.
Safety for others.
Safety for others,
Yeah.
exactly. It's not for
And
us.
now it's very useful when you have the.
Yes, yes, it is.
That was really good if you hit the
Yes.
car exactly where the windscreen are. It's nice.
Yes, it's.
But it's not your problem.
I would like that people brake.
Yeah.
I prefer that.
That's the best thing
Yes.
to
yes.
do. But now I want to look at inside because I'm so excited for that.
So I have to take down the stairs. It's open already. You wanna
Of course, I want to get
go
in.
inside?
Filmar det?
This is our kitchen, dining room, and bedroom in once. Here we can.
It's actually quite space in here. I thought it was smaller.
Yeah,
It's like a small apartment.
yes,
it's
it has everything
cool.
in it. We have a stove, oven,
And everything is electric. You don't have
Everything-
any gas.
gas.
Yeah.
Yes, no, it's all electric in
Okay.
here. They're
You don't,
only
and you just drive it from the batteries and the solar panels.
yes, mostly solar power, and a little bit sometimes when it's bad weather, we also use the alternator to charge the batteries.
Okay.
But mostly solar power, so it's green.
Cool.
Yeah, this is for eating. It's our fridge, and we have the batteries here. We have to open this, and here are the batteries. Two, and also two on the bottom.
Yeah.
This is our converter. It's a 5,000 watts converter.
And the water heater and everything.
Yeah, toilet flush. Water
Ah,
heater is under the bed.
Okay.
It's really nice with the window on the.
Yeah, on the side here. It's
Yeah, with
you
a
get a
lot of
nice
light.
sun, yeah.
Yes, and when you drive through the forest, it's perfect because the trees, mostly when it goes out, the trees hit it very bad. But with this, it's a little bit better.
Yeah.
Yeah, this
So
is
cool.
We have heated floor, bathroom and shower is in here, and all the technique, water filtration,
Yeah.
heating system, where water heater and water pump is in all underneath the bed, and of course the washing machine.
Yeah, washing machine
Yes.
also. Yeah, of course.
Yes.
Why not?
It's our house.
Yeah, of course.
I think you also have one at home.
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe my girlfriend knows if I have. Cool.
It's amazing.
Cool.
Truly
You've done a
amazing.
very good job.
Thank you.
So now your plan is to you live here and drive around in Europe or
Yes, Europe now. Then I think we have to go back home for work
Yeah.
a little bit, save some money again, and
Yeah.
then we go further.
Okay.
I think so.
So you've been away now for 4 months.
Yes, now we are on the street for 4 months. I think we are going to travel for the rest of the year.
Okay.
I think then we go back work and continue travel.
Cool. What places have you been in the 4 months now?
In these 4 months now, we have first we went to France.
Yeah.
Then we did go to Spain, from Spain to Portugal, drove all the coast down, then go back to Spain again. From Spain to France, back, then Italy, from Italy to Slovenia, from Slovenia to Austria, from Austria to Germany, from Germany to Denmark, and now we are here in Sweden.
Cool.
Quite a journey.
Yeah, quite a journey
Yes.
as well.
And next we want to go to Norway, Finland, and down Poland, and
So cool.
yes,
So cool.
that's
Really nice that you come by, and you know Olof.
yes,
Yeah.
That was really cool.
Very cool coincidence that he knew you. So very fun. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you for showing us everything.
no problem. Thank
and
you.
Next time we go off road with it.
Yes, I think so.
yeah,
we have
yeah,
to.
We're gonna find some good off road roads here,
Trail.
so we can see how the pivot thing works on the.
And we will fix light to him too.
Yes.
Yes, we
Yes.
need some lights.
Yeah.
Yes.
We're gonna go up to Vallo store in Stockholm, and they're gonna give you very good lights.
Yes,
for a good
we
price, so,
we
yeah,
need one.
Yeah.
Gonna love this truck.
No problem at all. So thank you very much.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.